Pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words which replace nouns. Let's have a look at some examples. Mary is eating an apple. She likes apples. Here, Mary, which is a noun, has been replaced with the pronoun she. So instead of saying Mary likes apples, we can say she likes apples. Rob is at the market. He is buying vegetables. Here, Rob, the noun, has been replaced with the pronoun he. The bus is coming. It is moving fast. Here, the bus, which is the noun, has been replaced with the pronoun it. I am reading a book. What is the pronoun here? The pronoun is I. Instead of saying your name, you can use I. The girls are playing. They are having fun. What is the pronoun used instead of the noun girls? They. Can you think of more pronouns you've heard? Learning Champs. Learn while playing. www.learningchamps.com. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon now to receive more videos like this. See you soon!